Hello friends, myself Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I'm going to discuss with you about the environmental ecology. Even you know how much the importance of this subject right now in your examination, friends. This environmental ecology, this time is very important. More than 20% question in your examination definitely you will find from environmental ecology. So, the help of this video lecture, I would like to discuss my own experience with you guys with this subject. It's very dynamic, very interdisciplinary. You will find this environmental ecology interdisciplinary subject with the geography, with the biology even. But see guys, those syllabus which I got in your examination, it's not pure geography or biology. Here you should have to make a interdisciplinary approach of these subjects. So what will be the approach? What about the standard of environmental ecology based questions? What about scenario? What about weightage of this subject? All I'm going to discuss with you. So overall, this video will be really very beneficial to you friends. Because many times I have seen you people ask me the question, sir, in this environmental ecology, what we do? So generally I say everyone right now, you go and listen my videos. That videos are all available on my YouTube channel in this Arch Academy. Even what about the syllabus of environmental ecology in your examination is the for the prelims, UPSC mentioned only general issues of the environmental ecology. But in the main syllabus, it is given as a conservation of environmental pollution and degradation and environmental impact assessment. What should be the paper pattern, guys? Here the question is predictable. I will always tell you. A strong grasp over the basic concepts clarity, of course, it is very important. And your preparation should be with the touch of current affairs parts. Even your mains paper, guys, totally based on current affairs. Even in prelims, you can find some basic concepts. But mains without current affairs, sorry, you people cannot clear your examination. Even in this year 2015, those questions came in your paper from environmental ecology. Of course, there was only one question in this last year. And that question was the Namami Ganga projects. That was completely based on the current affairs part. What should be the even important book for your examinations? ICSE board book of environmental ecology 9th and 10th class. Old NCERT 12th standard biology book unit 9. And yes, I will tell you, you should prefer my book. It's not because I'm taking your video classes here, video information here. So I'm going to give the weightage of my book. But it's really good, friends. If you meet with those friends who already have given the last year examination, this is the response of my students. They have given me this answer, even statements. So 12 questions we got from your books. Even in the end of this book, I have a lot of list of national parks, sanctuaries, pathway reserves, hotspots, coral reefs. All the listings are there. So everything's are there in the end of this and compiled. So that is the reason you have no need to search anywhere. Listen my videos. I will always suggest you friends. And my videos, you can find me, even listen me guys through Superprofs. And all the environmental ecology subjects are defined there, topics and subtopics, everything there guys, in proper manner. So you go and listen that videos of Superprofs. I will suggest you if you people cannot come and join my classes. So in that case, that video will be really helpful for your selections. Even Hindu newspaper, it's always important, friends. Even on the Monday, science and technology updates. You can also find some issues from the environmental ecology. Various ministry sites, even you should also prepare for this. Time to time I will update. Even all current affairs updates will provide before prelims and mains examination for 2016 exam by me friends. And my current affairs update will be on the basis of Hindu newspaper, Indian Express, some article of the Science Reporter, and government sites, ministry sites. For more detail, even you should go on the www.archacademy.com website, and I upload all the materials there, guys. Even 80 to 90% materials are there. It's freely available. You people can go anywhere and download it. Because my purpose is to provide the education at the sustainable prices with the best quality. See, this is the analysis of prelims examination. This environmental ecology, friends. New pattern of the prelims examination, I always say, again I will tell you 2011 onwards started, and the number of question is around 20%. May I see the question in 2014, there was 28 question in your prelims examination from environmental ecology. And the main reason behind this maximum number of question is the merging of IFS examination, Indian Forest Examination, Services Examination from 2013 onwards. Even nowadays, this environmental ecology become as a subject in graduation and the post graduations. If you go into the mains exam analysis trends, new pattern of the mains examination is started from 2013 onwards. Marks, where is the environmental ecology? This is in GS3 paper. In GS3 paper, 35 marks came in 2013, 25 marks came in 2014, and 12.5 marks came in 2015. Don't think so, number of marks just is going to decrease. So accordingly, the next year there will be no question. No, friends. This time have only one question, but yes, of course, 2 to 3 questions have a maximum possibility to be in your examinations. So don't miss it. You read it. This is just a mains paper analysis of your examinations in 2013. Those questions came in your paper. What you understand by the run of the river hydroelectricity project? How is different from any other hydroelectricity projects? Second, write a note on India's green energy corridor to alleviate the problem of conventional energy. Third, what are the consequences of illegal mining? Discuss the Ministry of Environment and Forest concept of go and no-go zones for coal mining. And enumerate the national water policy of India, taking river gangs as an example. Discuss the strategies which may be adopted for the river water pollution control and management. What are the legal provisions for the management and handling of the hazardous waste in India? What about the reason behind to show all these questions, guys? After show this all the questions, I will come on that conclusions. There are some reasons, that's why I am showing you all these questions. Means 2014, friends, 2 questions came. Should the pursuit of the carbon credit and the clean development mechanism set up under UNFCCC be maintained even though there has been a massive slide in the value of the carbon credits? Discuss with the respect to India's energy needs for economic growth. Issue discussed in Business World 21st January 2014 and the sufficient bullets available. Next question which came in your paper, guys. Environmental impact assessment studies and increasingly undertaken before project is cleared by the government. Discuss environmental impacts of the coal-fired thermal plants located at the heaths. Means 2015 in this just last year question paper, guys. Discuss the Namami Gang and the National Mission for Clean Ganga programs and causes of the mixed result from the previous schemes. What quantum leaves can help preserve the river Ganga better than incremental inputs? See, friends, all those questions which I have shown you here in 2013, 14 or 15, every question based on current affairs. This is the reason, friends, I am telling you, if you people will not do updations of the current affairs, so you are zero. You tell me any traditional question came here? Of course no. And even those questions already came in your paper, guys. Now, as per knowledge is good, but not to clear your coming year examination. Reason in your coming year examination, the concept will change. New more information, new more updates. So this is the reason you should update. And don't worry, I will update all these current affairs here time to time. And even also on my superpowers videos. Structure of syllabus on the basis of the 2011 onwards question pattern, friends. Listen. Here I just define your environmental ecology syllabus. First unit is the basic of ecology. You should be clear what is the ecology. And here the various concepts. What is the ecology, the term of ecology, hierarchy of ecology. Even different factors, environmental factors which are responsible for the presence of any species in a particular habitats. Factor and resources are also very, very important. Even various terms, population ecology, community ecology and ecosystem, also important for examinations. In the population ecology, you can find, guys, population dispersal, natality, mortality, population growth curve, survivorship curve, migration kind of the concepts, ecotype, ecospecies, ecats, even founder species, flaxseed species, keystone species, even keystone came in your paper, friends. These all terms you can find from the population ecology. Similar, community ecology. What is succession? Zeer, S-E-R-E. What about the meaning of zeer? Different types of successions. Even ecotone, ECATS, community developments. If you go into the ecosystem like productivity, food chain, food wave, ecological pyramid. So these kind, even productivity, spatiation. Next unit, guys, that is the global environmental issues. Various issues you can see right now, like various climatic change issues. Global warming is main climatic issues. Every time you can find in the newspaper. Global cooling and dimming, that is also the kind of different approach. And time to time you can find the various article. Study of ozone layer. Even UPSC asked a question, I think in 2013. Why the maximum ozone depletion toward the southern pole? Acid rain, time to time have a question, guys. In 2011 and 12 UPSC asked which gases are responsible for acid rain. Produce the acid rain like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides. All were correct there. Third chapter, guys, various climatic parameters which day-to-day life you can see in the news like carbon tax, ecological footprinting, carbon footprinting, even carbon sequestrations. Various environmental protection in the world, guys, environmental movements in the world, environmental institutions and laws. Environmental movements, you can see, guys, various Rotterdam Conventions, Basel Conventions, Kyoto Protocols, Convention on Biodiversities, Stockholm Conference. So these kind of the even organizations involved into the various environmental movement. Even sometime, in Europe, even election was totally based on the protection of environment. So that environmental movements in the world, this kind of the information for your knowledge, it is very, very important. Next, environmental protection in India. In the case of environmental protection of India, you should follow various environmental laws and acts which are in India. One you people know very well is about NGT, National Green Tribunal Acts, laws, whatever. CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, how it work in India, what about the benefits. Different environmental movements in India, friends. Balyapal, Bisnoi, Narmada Bachao, Chipko, these kind of the things. Indian environmentalists, various names like Sundarlal Bahuguna, Gaura Devi, Chandi Prasad Bhatt, their own contributions. Various environmental institutions which are working in India for the protection of environment. Different legal provisions which are given into the fundamental rights, into the directive principle. Overall, I'm talking to you environment with quality issues. Environmental impact assessment. Those questions also came in your current affairs part on the basis of coal bed in 2014. Next, pollution and solid waste management. Always evergreen questions. Any of the time you can find the question from pollution and solid waste management. Unit 8 is actually it is completely geography, where biomes of the world, biogeographic zone, natural vegetation, plastic region of India will come. It's completely geography. For the understanding of all these chapter 24, 25, 26, 27, you should know about the basics of geography, climates of the world, soils, plastic region, biomes, all. And then on the basis of that, all the basics, you can understand all this chapter 24, 25, 26 and 27. Unit 9, most important unit. Every year this unit gives you the 4 questions. 3 questions minimum, maximum 5 questions. Here you can find the conservations, alpha, beta, gamma diversities, various terms used in the diversities, measurement of diversities, conservation of diversities, in situ, ex situ, IUCN, red data book, yellow list, blue list, red list. Biodiversity hotspot, it came in 2011 even in your paper. What is the meaning of it? Even in 2006 UPSC asked which features are correct about the hotspot. 6 statement was given there, 3 statement were correct in 2006 prelims examination. Next, unit 10, detailed study. You should go for the CVD, Convention of Biodiversity, Kyoto Protocol, IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Even what about the categories of IUCN also came in the mains examination. What Heritage Convention, WSC, Ramsar Convention even also came in your mains and prelims both. Various miscellaneous topics that are also very, very important, like friends, as a Bhopal gas tragedy, Chernobyl disaster, Japan's nuclear disaster, coral reefs and the coral bleaching. Coral bleaching came in 2013 prelims examination. El Nino La Nina is a geography, but its impact in Indian monsoon is what it is, an environmental problem. Euro Ramchandra Bharat stages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganga Action Plan and the other rivers plan, green revolutions. Mangroves, issues of the endosulfans, oil spills, permacultures, xenobatics, bioremediation, phytoremediation. Phytoremediation also came in the mains examination 2011. Vermicomposting, even earthworm based compost, that is also the part of organic farming. Indian vulture, their recent issues was the case studies, it came in 2011. Wetland, every time it is also in your prelims paper. Ocean acidification 2012 prelims paper. Oil jabber 2013, yes, I 2011 prelims question paper. Whereas listing, you should prepare. Those lists I told you, it is given in the last of my book. List of national park, list of sanctuaries, list of bacterial reserves of the world, list of bacterial reserves of India, hotspot of the world, tiger reserves of India, coral reefs location in India, Ramsar site in India of the wetland sites, list of endangered species and list of the extinct species from India. That is. This is those book guys which I told you always. My first lot already over and the second lot is in the market right now. This is the Handbook of Environmental Ecology. Those I published for all of you, and this book is available in the Mukherjee Nagar and the Old Rajendra Nagar bookstall at the Tul Photo State, Jiledhar, Kumar Book, everywhere. Even if you people will ask about this book, so you can find there. And if you have any kind of doubts, so better you go on www.naidukan.com, Nayidukkan. Yeah, through my sites you can also find this book guys. Okay, I will request you, even as a teacher I should like to suggest you, but I will request you, don't miss to read this book. It will be very helpful to you for current affairs updation. I will give you during your examinations period. Now one more motto to come through this online channels guys, because I'm not going to take online classes here. For online I'm available in Superprops. Here through online I'm going to start online test series, and that is going to start from 31st January. Here the basics to advanced level discussion I will do with you friends. Target is the prelims cum mains exam 2016 this time. First test is free for every UPSC aspirants. So from 31st to 3-4 February you people can give your examinations and you can evaluate how our question paper are different with the other one. And for this registration of the online test series only, see I'm not going to take your online classes here. Again I repeat, my online classes are only on the Superprops. You can register through the akshacademy.com. Here all the information is about the test series, all the NCRTs, all the advanced level book, complete discussions, everything there. What in this test series I would like to speak something about it. Here we will provide you the all preparations of your exam that will be enough for the prelims cum mains exam 2016. All video discussion of the question paper by the team of Aksh Academy. You all have the option to connect with the eminent faculties of Aksh Academy for your discussions. Even I'm also going to start a interaction with you people through the Skype. A free magazine of the current affairs we will also provide you for your current affairs preparations. If you are going to join these online classes, so definitely we will provide you this mail. We will also provide you the all current affairs updations and the various notes with all which will be necessary for your prelims and mains examination. And time to time we will also give you videos. Our motive is the work for the sustainable educations. Many of the people told me, sir, the test series is very costly, so the coaching class is very costly, and whatever in that cases, how it is possible to clear the UPSC. So our motto is to reach this education through this channel everywhere. I don't like only this rich people become as IAS. Every platform, those people have a caliber, you should clear it. So these are my main mottos. Our motive is also provide the employment generation guys. I think we will be the first one. When our number of the student will increase, we will reduce the prices of the all test series and all the courses. Because in this time, for the employment generation, we have also the good team, and for the employments, they are going to associate it with me. That is the reason this time I already have a very less prices, but in the future, my ambition to reduce the price, not to increase the price. Of course, when the more number of the student will collect here, so of course those money, finances problem, whatever the requirement, that will be fulfilled. So definitely my target is to decrease the prices with time as the student number will increase here. And of course, those I told you, through this walk, we want to reach at all the doorstep in the country. Many of the students want to listen me. Many of the students trust me. Even this time, the trust is very difficult for anyone. So through the help of this channel, guys, now in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, everywhere I visited, friends. Even in Pune, Mumbai, in Guwahati, Jammu, everywhere I have taken a classes, and 1.5 lakh people are connected with me. They always request me, sir, you start your own online preparations and everything. So because of this, I have started this, guys. And thanks to everybody to trust me. I will really tell you this statement here. And yes, of course, I will just tell you one thing. I will try to be honest in my job. Now here I will stop, friends. Thank you so much for your online test series and material. You go and join here at www.akshayacademy.com. Is a venture for the sustainable education to provide education at sustainable prices with the best quality by the eminent professors and scientists of the various IITs and the reputed universities. This is our team. And thank you so much, guys. My wishes are with you. And for your queries, you can put your messages on my Facebook. You could subscribe there and give me your feedback time to time if have any of some more updates. So of course, through this help of videos, I will update. That will be really very beneficial to you. Thank you, guys. All the best. Take care. Bye.